Hi again, everyone. Now I want to review in this video a little bit about how you can freeze a certain row or column to help you add more data or more information into your database on Google Sheets. It's very, very simple. I will show it simply. Uh, where you could find this is in View. You press View, Freeze, and you can choose, so Google Sheet offers to always freeze the first row, which is the most common one where you have your headers, and then you, in this case, I have the title of the video and our presentation. But in this example, so what you could also do, right, if you have maybe several rows, so you could do view, freeze, and up to current row 3. And then I'm on row, I had to put myself on row 3, and then I could scroll down. And let's say I add more information, so I can easily see, and I don't need to every time scroll back up to see the name of the column. I have it readily available here, so I can add more information into my database and without a hassle. Another option other than freezing a row, it's done the same way. You will go to freeze and you could freeze up to current column. So let's say I want to add more columns. Similarly, this will give me the option to always see if it's a male or female, assuming I would want to use the information in this column to know how to better update the rest of the columns in my database. So, and to unfreeze, we would go to view and no rows. And you can see now it doesn't freeze the top row. And now you can see it maybe a bit more, right? Like I don't know, okay, what is this number? What information do I need to insert here? So it's a bit harder. And similarly to the column, we will go to view, freeze, no columns. Very simple. Let me know if you have any questions about this topic and if I can elaborate more to help you with your day-to-day working on Google Sheets. Thank you.